In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Gumroad. If you purchased something on Gumroad and need to request a refund, the process is pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to contact support the right way so your request is clear and easy to review. To begin, open Gumroad and look over to the left sidebar. From there, click Help. This will take you to Gumroad's help area where you can find support options related to your account, purchases, and other issues. Once you're on the help page, click Contact Support. This opens the support form you'll use to send your refund request. Make sure you're using the correct section here, since choosing the right contact path helps your message get routed more efficiently. Next, enter the email address that was used for the purchase. This is important because Gumroad uses that email to locate the transaction. If you enter a different email address, it may slow things down or make it harder for support to find your order. After that, click the Select a Category drop-down menu. You'll need to choose the category that best matches your issue, so the request goes to the right team. From the list of options, select Purchases and Refunds. This tells Gumroad that your message is specifically about an order and a refund request, which helps make the process more accurate. Now, in the message field, request a refund and explain the reason clearly. Keep your message polite and specific. For example, you can briefly describe the issue with the product, mention that you'd like a refund, and include any helpful purchase details if needed. A clear explanation can make it easier for support to understand your request without needing to follow up for basic information. When your message is ready, click Send Message. This submits your request to Gumroad support for review. After sending it, keep an eye on your email in case they reply with questions or updates about your refund. Finally, click Close to exit the support message window once everything has been submitted. And that's it. That's how to request a refund on Gumroad through the support form. As a quick tip, double check your email address and your message before sending, since accurate details can help avoid delays. If support needs more information, just respond promptly so the process can continue smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your refund request submitted quickly and correctly.